Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect a wired keyboard to your Google Pixel 2 XL, or basically any smartphone, or I think Pixel smartphone with a USB Type-C connector on it. So if you don't have a Bluetooth keyboard, or you rarely use it, and then there comes a time when you really need to use your some input device so that you can type faster on your Google Docs, so you can use this technique in a pinch, I guess. And if you have an old keyboard like this one, so this is your typical keyboard for like maybe $10, and you can buy this anywhere. You have the very long cable with it. It's a USB for your PC, and obviously you can connect this to your Google Pixel 2 XL, because there's no way to connect this one. There's no USB port on your smartphone. And to solve that, you can use a $2 USB Type-C to a female USB port. So this is an adapter that you can order online, maybe $2 or so, and then you can plug in such, and then obviously the USB Type-C, you can connect this to your Google Pixel. So let me try this. So you can see here, this is the setup. So you can see in the notification that you can configure a physical keyboard, so you can opt to see the visual keyboard layout or anything, but the default is very obvious. So if you want to fire up, I think most obvious is Google Docs. So now we are connected to the Google Pixel 2 XL, and then I have my keyboard, and I will try to make a document in Google Docs, and let's see if it works. And then let's try if we can highlight. Yes, we can. Let's see. Okay, it works. This is Control B, Control I, italic, underline. So basically no learning curve needed, but in case you want to change the font, there's no way of doing this but to reach out, and you can highlight Control A. That's convenient, and you can change the font to maybe a Bree serif. Yep. So anything that needs like a mouse function, you can just use the touchscreen. So if you really need this feature, or you have a keyboard lying around and you want to make an email, a long email, but you don't want to use your virtual keyboard, you can certainly use this trick just by using a $2 dongle adapter, USB Type-C to female USB-A, and it certainly works, even the cheapest membrane keyboard that you can find online. So if you like this tips and tricks video, you can subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center, and if you want to have your smartphone fixed, by the way, this smartphone this Google Pixel 2 XL that we are using for our demo was fixed by Sydney CBD Repair Center team, and it's now working great. And till next time, guys, cheers.